Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Josh. You need to blow. You need to blow.
Alam, iiyak siya. Iiyak ka ba? Iiyak siya. Ilabas mo na yung lalaki.
I know it's a short period that we work together, and you know we've known each other for quite some time. So you have a good reputation in taking care of our people, right? So I'm really happy where you are doing. Alam ko na kasi di mo bigyan ng chance. But instead we're simply the same thing you're doing, right? Taking care of everybody, looking at anticipating the needs of the site, especially being more proactive, right? Which you're doing. It's to be able to learn, right? I mean, when you move to another side, one thing that you need to really that you want to notice, you know, the small gestures and also small things that we do every day builds a culture, right? So if the friend is there, definitely there's not going to be a lot of adjustment, but for you to influence the whole side, right, it's to be what you're doing here and everything, right? So good luck, and I'll see you around. Okay.
Thank you. Yung mga coachings mo and everything, and became really good at what you do. Right? Totoo yun. That's some pretty big shoe that needs to be filled in. So, ngayon, kailangan mo maghanap ng kapalit mo, diba? Right? So, but, sabi ko nga, I'm pretty sure you're not gonna be happy wherever you're going, charot. Hindi, but, we wish you the best. Hindi ka naman mamamatay, diba? So, and I know what your reasons are. Right? Your reasons are something na naiintindihan naman namin. Right? I think pretty much you can see behind the smiling faces here, a lot of people are sad that you're going. Because you've been a big part of this site. Q Plaza is not Q Plaza without Josh. Tama ba pa?
Yes!
So, but you know, the learnings that you had here in QB, take it wherever you go. Be a better person, always. Like what I always keep on telling you, diba? Basta your heart is in the right place, then you'll go places. Mahal na mahal ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo, I'm pretty sure, right? In Silver City where you're going, mamahal ka rin ng mga tao doon. Right? Siguro, yun lang, Josh. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, John.
Okay, thank you sa lahat. Actually, ang hirap. Parang last, hindi na nag-sink in sa akin na dilipat ako ng ibang side. Nung nakikita ko yung client visit, sabi ko, shit, namimiss ko to. Sabi ko, gano'n. Yung first time na ginagawa ako, sobrang namimiss ko. At syempre, yung mga tao, yung sa Q-Plaza, hindi naman tayo, mag-work sa family tayo. Isa yung goal natin lagi, mapasaya lahat ng tao natin. Yun. Kaya maraming salamat. Thank you po.